Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take you along with us as we arrive in Aulani, Disney's resort and spa, one of the best places in the world to travel to. I'm going to begin the video with a full room tour of the 2-bedroom studio, and then I'm going to bring you along with us for a few days as we are exploring Aulani. At the end of the video, I actually talk about a t-shirt that I'm going to consider going back and buying, so just to let you know, I bought it. Here it is. I never show it, so I thought it'd be fun to show it now. I hope that you guys enjoy coming along with us as we explore one of the most beautiful places in the entire world, Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa. So here we go. We have arrived at Aulani. We just got here. It's still the most beautiful place in the world to me. Okay, so this is our room. This is the main living room. This is our view. We have a view of the water slide. Sure, it's gonna be very noisy. And then this is one bedroom. And then there's a bathroom over here on this side. So this is one bathroom. This room actually has 3 bathrooms. The toilet's on this side. And then there's like another half bath. And then here is the other view from this room. Again, we have like the whole slide. And then the kitchen area. Another bathroom here. I think this is gonna be the laundry. Yep, laundry room there. And then here's the master bedroom. And we're like just starting to unpack, so it's a little bit messy. But my favorite things, the Mickey lamp. Our view here, you can like kind of almost see the ocean peeking over here. Okay, and then this bathroom is really nice because it has the big open concept here. So it has like the tub that actually looks into the room. Big vanity, really big shower with a bench, and then again the toilet room, and then there's a lot of storage space too. So you have a closet here, and that's it. So yeah, that's just a super quick tour of our room here in Aulani. It's the 2-bedroom villa. Okay, so now we're headed down to get, they just dropped these new like refillable mugs with Stitch, and everyone's freaking out about it. It came out on 6/2/6 day, which was a few days ago, and there's a lot of panic that they're gonna sell out. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, and then we're gonna head to the pool. Right, we got the amazing mugs. They had some left. We just got back from dinner. We had a great first day here at Aulani. We went to the pool. We actually spent some time in the ocean. As you saw, we got our Stitch cups, which was really great. And then we went over to, like across the street, there's this whole shopping area. So we went over there tonight to grab some dinner. So we had dinner at a place, I think it was called 808 Craft Brew House or something like that. I don't know, but it was really good. We did a little bit of shopping. We went over to the ABC store and just got some food for the couple of days that we're here. Tomorrow morning we have character dining at Makahiki, so I can't wait for that. That's always so much fun. And then tomorrow night we have a photo shoot with our family on the beach, so that's going to be great. I am ready for bed now. I have on my cute Stitch and Angel shirt that I recently picked up, and we're gonna do a movie night, and we're gonna settle in and go to bed. It's only about 8:30, but it feels late, so that's gonna be it for now, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is our first full day here at Aulani. We checked in yesterday. It's just still my favorite resort of all time. It's so beautiful here. So we got up early this morning and we went and got some coffee in our refillable Stitch mugs, and we just took a good walk. We're actually doing a family photo tonight, so I wanted to scope out like what location we were going to go to, because I want Aulani to be in the background, but I also want the ocean to be in the background. So we found a couple of really good spots for that, and in just about an hour we're headed to Makahiki for a character breakfast. I'm so excited. They have these macadamia nut pancakes, and I think it's like a macadamia syrup. That's so good. It's my favorite thing here. So definitely gonna have that, meet some characters. Today is a full beach and pool relaxation day, so our time in Aulani is just meant to be here in Aulani. We're really not adventuring. We did all of that at the North Shore already, so now we're just going to settle in and enjoy our time here, have a fun beach day, check out the lazy river pool, and just enjoy our time here. So I'm going to do something with this. I'm going to go straighten my hair. I've been trying to do the curly thing, but it doesn't always work out for me. So I'm gonna get ready for breakfast, and we're going to have a really great meal over at Makahiki.
She's like, I got this. You know how not ready. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 1.
Addison got the French toast. I got the macadamia syrup pancakes. Jim got the local mocha. That's what it looks like. We just got back from a fun character breakfast. I always love doing that. You get to meet the characters, you have some really great breakfast food, and then I stopped by the DVC Center. We are DVC members, and they gave me this free hat. So I was actually just about to go purchase a hat for the trip, and I stopped there first, so I was happy that I didn't purchase one yet. So anyway, yeah, they gave us the free hats, and they also gave us these, which is a lot of fun. And they said if we wear the hats out and about at the pool and stuff, that they will randomly do trivia and give you more prizes. So I think that's a lot of fun. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing my hat today. Now we are going to get ready to just spend some time at the pool and the beach. Floating down the lazy river. Ooh.
Are you seriously?
Yep. I'm seriously vlogging right now. Everyone wants to see this exciting moment. Pretty nice. So we have an appointment for a photo shoot, and we're going to try to do it over here. You can see Aulani in the background there, but it's really windy, so I don't know if that's going to mess things up. But anyway, we're waiting for the photographer. I'm hoping we can do some ocean view pictures and then some Aulani pictures. Good morning, guys. I can't believe it is officially our last full day here at Aulani. It's just been such an amazing, magical trip. It was so much fun having the whole family here together. We did our photos last night, and it's gonna take 3 weeks for me to get the proofs and then decide which ones we want, but I'm so excited to get them because I think they came out amazing. We did some pictures in front of Aulani, and then we went over to, it's called Secret Beach for sunset, and got some pictures there. And it was actually a really great time. I thought the kids were gonna be miserable, but we had such fun with it. Everybody was laughing. And then we came back here. We actually ended up just eating in last night. So I made some pasta with meat sauce. We played games and just had some really nice quality time together. So it's been such a wonderful trip. We're getting ready for the pool now. It's about 8:45 in the morning. Everyone gets up and out so early around here. I'm looking out my window now, and almost every chair is claimed already. That's been a little bit challenging on this trip, is trying to find chairs. But we've been managing, even if we all just share a couple of chairs, because honestly, we don't really lay in the sun too much. It's basically, we need a place to put all of our stuff while we go back and forth, taking turns sitting at the chair, going to the lazy river, going to the beach, just doing all the things. But I'm excited for our last day here. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We have reservations tonight at Monkey Pod, which is one of my favorite locations to eat, which is right across the street. So we're gonna head out and have another fun pool and beach day.
Okay.
So pretty today.
I have the account. Okay.
Got it.
Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you.
I just got back from meeting Angel. It was so much fun. They have some really good character meetups today. So my top priorities were meeting Ulumel today and Angel. So I just got to meet Angel actually. wore this shirt for the occasion, but now I'm gonna get ready for the pool, and then I think at like 2 o'clock, Ulu Mel's gonna be out, so I'm gonna try to run over and meet up with him, and then I think I'm pretty good with character meetups. It's really great doing the character dining here because you do get to meet a lot of characters all like at one sitting, which really helps when you want to meet characters. No one else in my family cares about it, so I was actually down there online by myself, but I don't care. It's always fun for me, especially to meet characters that you don't often see in the Disney parks. So that was great, but now I'm gonna head to the pool because everyone else is already there. Waiting online for Ulu Mel right in front of this beautiful koi pond, and there's just such a nice atmosphere while you're waiting. I could just totally spend a lot of time here taking in the views. So we're at the ABC store Island Market, and a friend of mine told me to get this macadamia nut coconut latte here, and it is actually really amazing. It's our last night and we're having dinner at Monkey Pod. We're doing like an early dinner for happy hour.
Okay, at the Wyndham because I get it for free.
What? We just got back from dinner at Monkey Pod. We're back at the resort. We had a really great night out, and I don't even know what we're gonna do now. We still have to pack up and stuff. We're leaving tomorrow around 12 o'clock, so I think we're just gonna go hang out at the lounge or maybe go do the movie night. They have movies tonight on the beach at like 7:30, but I'm not sure what everyone wants to do yet. I'm really sad that this is our last night. Me and Madison are just taking a walk and being sad because we never want to leave. No, I think everything's closed here. So me and Madison just got back from a nice walk around the resort. I got a bunch of nighttime pictures. It's so beautiful. We had a really busy day. It was good. I got to start off the day meeting Angel, which was a lot of fun. I was online by myself. Nobody in my family wanted to participate, but that's fine. I am definitely a Disney adult. So I met Ulu Mel, and then, I met Angel, and then I met Ulu Mel later in the day. Almost met Moana, but we were just too busy, so I didn't wait online for her. Had a great dinner at Monkey Pod, and now we're just settling in. I started packing, sadly, and tomorrow morning we're gonna be heading out, but I will catch up with you guys tomorrow because I'm not quite ready to say goodbye to Aulani yet. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Grabbing breakfast at Ulu Cafe, and apparently the acai bowls, although $20, are supposed to be really good here. They are pretty big. So we just had some breakfast. Food is pretty expensive here. So as you saw, me and Madison had the acai bowl. It was like $20. Yesterday, Emily got just like a couple of Mickey waffles with sausage, and it was like $22. And then we even tried to save some money by going to the ABC store across the street, and we got a box of like those frosted mini wheats and some eggs. Although the eggs were pretty inexpensive, like $3 or $4, and I made hard-boiled eggs for everyone. The cereal, the box of cereal was like $12, and I think the milk was like $8. So just be prepared. Food is pretty expensive here. Remember, if I showed you guys this, but our room is right above the Stitch statue right down here. We're leaving our leaves behind with Stitch because apparently it's bad luck to take them home with you. You're not supposed to take anything from the island. So Madison, do the honors. Goodbye, Stitch. I am really sad to be leaving, but all good things must come to an end, and things are changing too, because when we get home, Emily is going to her new home, so she's not coming home with us. So it's bittersweet, but I'm really happy that we had this past week together as a family. It was such a fun vacation. Aulani is definitely one of the, or if not the best place that I've ever been to. There's something truly magical about this resort. It is so beautiful. There's so much to do. There's so many things I still didn't have an opportunity to do this time, so I definitely will be back again. Last night we did some souvenir shopping, and I got this shirt, which I think is so cute. I might go back and get one more. They had a really cute DVC shirt that I liked, and I'm thinking I might want to change when we land. We have like a 10-hour flight, so I put like pajama pants that I'm going to switch off into at the airport, and then it's just going to be such a big travel day. So I just feel like it might be nice to have a change of clothes for when we land and then head home. I am missing the pets, Leo and Chester, our 2 dogs, and our cat Coco, so I hope that they made out okay this past week without us. What a great adventure this was. Thank you so much for joining. I really hope that you enjoyed coming along and seeing everything that I had to share about this epic trip. As always, I'm always happy to help you plan as well. I am a travel advisor. My links and info are always down below. So if you would also like to check out Aulani or any other Disney resort or any place in the whole world, I'm always happy to help you plan. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, please leave a one of those chakra things emoji down below so I know you made it to the end of the video. I am sure this was probably a pretty long one. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.